Hey there, fellow Google Docs users. Welcome to video 271, where we're tackling how to organize Google Docs in 2025. If you're drowning in a sea of documents, don't worry. This guide will help you streamline your workflow and find what you need in seconds. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother organizing? In 2025, with AI integrations and smarter search features, a tidy setup not only saves time but also boosts your productivity. Start by opening Google Drive, since that's the backbone of Google Docs organization. Step 1. Create folders and subfolders. Think of these as digital filing cabinets. For example, if you're a student, make a main folder for school and subfolders for each subject like math or history. To do this, just click the New button in Google Drive and select Folder. Name it clearly and drag your docs inside. Next, use labels and colors for quick visual cues. Google Docs now has enhanced labeling in 2025. Right-click a doc, go to Organize, and assign a color or label like Urgent or Personal. This makes scanning your files a breeze. Don't forget about starring important docs. Hit the star icon next to a file to add it to your Starred section for easy access. Also, leverage the advanced search bar. Type keywords, add filters like Type, Document, or Modified today, and watch the magic happen. Sharing is another key area. Organize access by setting permissions, view, comment, or edit directly in the sharing settings. This keeps your docs secure and collaborative without the chaos. Finally, explore 2025's new features like AI-powered auto-organization. Google Docs can now suggest folder structures based on your usage patterns. Just enable it in Settings. There you have it, a simple, effective way to keep your digital life in order. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your organization hacks in the comments. See you next time.